morning, children. It's me, Miss Layla. I hope you and your family are doing well. Green team, listen up. If I call your name, please raise your hands. Abby, Avery, Ben, Ken, Caroline, Corey, Krista, Declan, Hannah, Hayden, Harrison, Lily, Manson, Mabel, Matthew, Shayna, Sadie, Jackson, Olivia, Tom, and Tommy. Hi, everybody. We are going to do our circle time now. And our circle today, it's going to be different than it used to be. It's called Imagination Nature Walk. First, I want you to lie on your backs and close your eyes. Then, I want you to relax your hands, relax your arms. Good. Relax your legs, your knees, and I need everybody to be quiet. Please listen to my words. I need everyone to be quiet. Okay, good. Relax your toes. Nice. Now that you are relaxed, we're going to pretend to walk through the woods. Okay. Imagine that you are standing in front of a door. You open the door and see that it's a warm, sunny day. Let's pretend it's very sunny now, right? Okay. You step out the door and see Pat going in some woods. As you walk in the trees, you see a lot of sweet-smelling flowers blooming in the woods. You lean down and smell one of the flowers. Ah, it smells beautiful, doesn't it? Okay. Now you hear birds singing. Look up. Oh, there's a beautiful bird in the tree above you. Look, isn't it beautiful? Okay. You start walking again. You hear someone calling your name. You stop and you just sit still. Oh boy, you see your friends. You are happy to see them. You go further in the woods together. You see a big patch of ripe berries. Yummy. You pick some and put them in a bucket. Nice job, everyone. You are happy. It's getting late. You walk back on the path to the door you came out of. You go in the door. You are back in the circle at happy hours. Okay, now when you're ready, open your eyes. Good. Now, talk to your friends about the nature walk. Tell them everything you saw as you were walking through the woods. I hope you like it. Goodbye. I miss you all. I hope to see you very soon. Bye-bye, my friends. Bye.